This is a flexible chain conveyor. Flexible chain conveyors have the characteristics of dexterity and beauty, easy installation, standard structure, clean and pollution-free, etc., and are widely used in food, medicine, canned beverages, paper products, dairy, cosmetics, tobacco, and other industries that have strict hygiene requirements. It can automatically and smoothly run, distribute, and continue to transport the subsequent packaging. It is a good choice for enterprises to highly automated division of labor and improve production efficiency.